Well, today we're going to do a static lift of 1.5 tons, which you can see in front of you. It's made up of 20 kilogram weights, and then they're going to remove the extra weights and do a 1.25 dynamic test. They're also going to swing the davit to left and right and possibly through 360 degrees. I don't know if you can see, but it says 1.5 ton safe working load. That will be changed to 1 ton after we have done the 2 load tests. If you look, I'll show you the davit where it has been extended. As we come up the davit arm, you can see there the extension, which is quarter of the davit, up to the block at the top with the wire coming down to the hook and pounder ball. They're using 2 wooden pallets, and we're just waiting while they go and get extra strops to lift the load, and we'll be doing the 1.5 static lift first. Hold on.
Hi, my name's Elliot Molds, I'm from the Clo Group. We're just going to be doing the weight testing on this davit arm today, so we'll be doing a dynamic load test of 1.5 tons. Sorry, a static load test of 1.5 tons. So we'll be lifting 1.5 tons up off the ground, only a couple of inches, for 15 seconds. We'll be checking the davit fixings, we'll be checking the condition of the wire rope, we'll be checking for the condition of all the shackles. After we've done a 1.5 ton static load test, we'll remove 250 kilos from the load and do a dynamic load test of 1.25 tons. And what we'll be doing there is lifting the pallet up so that it passes over the full range of movement of the davit crane, and then we'll be moving the davit crane right round the full travel of the davit crane back to the original position, lowering down on the ground. And at the same time we'll be looking at the condition of the davit fixings and also the shackles and the condition of the lifting equipment. It's in completeness. So that's what we'll be doing today. Right, straps here. We'll need to turn it. Take it down a bit. Just take it. Right, pick it up slowly. Right, stop.
MD timing this?
Sorry?
MD timing this?
It's not going to be too critical. I'm just...
Yeah, so he does. I'm checking the fastenings now. Steadying the loads. That's for 15 seconds over. We'll lower it down now.
Yeah, drop it down slowly.
And he's just going to check. There's a way down to check the fastenings underneath. Make sure everything's intact.
Okay.
And he's taking the weight on it now while Elliot is below, looking underneath the fastenings on the crane. Sorry.
Right, that's 1.5 tons.
small gap, maybe about 9 inches, is raised off the ground. Just taking some still photos for the company.
Right, do you want to drop it down? Right. I'm just wondering if we maybe no, at the moment. What we'll do is I just want to check maybe put a different pallet at the bottom.
We're going to take 250 kilograms off now and reduce it to 1.25 for the dynamic testing. We're now raising up the 12 point 12.25 tons.
The bigger pallet on the bottom. Leave it like that now.
The pallet's breaking up, so we're going to put the pallet back down on the ground, change things around.
Hold on.
We've changed over the pallet because it's got to be swung out over the edge, across around the river, slewed to the left, slewed out over the river, round, towards the river bank on our side, and then brought back again.
Right. Roger. Yeah. Hold on. Right, on you go. Okay. Right, stop. Tries. Hold like that. Alright. Yeah, will it go up a bit? So it goes over the... Right, that's enough. That's in here. Right? Yeah, it should do. There'll be a bit of play in the joint.
Bit of movement on the davit swivel, on the turntable.
Let me take a photograph of that now.
I'm now swinging it round.
You okay, Chris? You okay? Are you okay? going. Okay. Right, okay. No, we'll go right round to the full movement. Your arm getting sore yet? Yes. Good. Steady movement. Chris, move out of the way of the test weight. Right round.
We're just down checking the bolt fixings here, the fastenings underneath in the concrete. Yeah, you got to test the brake.
See it wobbling like that.
Elliot, do you test the brake?
Sorry?
Do you test the brake with this weight?
We won't test it over the water. Just in case we lose the weights.
So you just do it here.
What brake do you have on this? Is it a manual?
There'll be no dynamic brake test because the winch which was put in half an hour ago is electric. So it was already holding the heavy weights at 1250 and at 1500, 1.5, 1.25. So it's not necessary to do a dynamic brake test because we have an electric winch now.